first, Peoria National Guard soldiers are back home from helping those in need in North Carolina.
That's right. WMBD's Rebecca Brumfield was able to talk with these men today who are not only making us Central Illinois proud, but also making our nation proud. Rebecca.
Lauren and Eugene, it was truly inspiring to just talk to even 2 of the 10 total soldiers that flew to begin disaster relief efforts. The order came from Governor Bruce Rauner to send these men in 2 helicopters to Raleigh, North Carolina.
Really felt like I was doing something good for the country.
There's a lot of unit pride and there's a lot of state pride.
The pilots and crew from Peoria's 238th Aviation Regiment took to the skies delivering food, water, and medical supplies to rural communities cut off from the flooding left by Florence.
Extremely satisfying. We train all the time, work very hard, and to actually be able to use it to help people, it's great.
Our soldiers stayed a week in North Carolina using their training to help those who are potentially experiencing the lowest point in their lives.
Hopefully we made a good impression, a good reputation, and people know if disasters happen, we're going to be there for them.
The smile on everybody's faces is what I'm going to take away from this trip. Is everybody's so excited to see it, like they really needed the food and the water, and they're just so happy to get it.
And these men were able to help those in what could be one of the lowest point of their lives. And they tell me it wasn't just their duty. They wanted to help from the goodness of their hearts. Lauren.